Hello everyone, Namaskaram. Today we are going to study about what is programming language and characteristics of high level language, characteristics of low level language and the C language. As you know, why we use any language? The language is the medium to convey our thought from one person to another person. If if both person know same language, then the transmission of thought, transfer of thought is very easy. If there is a mismatch, there is this distinguish between two persons language, so there is not very easy to transfer their thought. So programming language, what is program? As you know, the when the number of instruction, when number of instruction is number of instruction consists, that is become as a program. So what program do? Program helps to machine understand how to do any work. if you need to if you need to add 2 plus 3, so first of all you must be trained your machine what is 2 and what is 3 and what is plus. So this what is these 3 w's uh, make instruction how to identify number, how to identify operator, that is a program. So basically in easy language, program helps to machine understand what is the work and how it will do. Okay, so programming language, there is many programming language in market. So why there is many programming language in the market? Because there is various type of work. So we choose such kind of language which easily perform, easily solve that problem, easily do that work. So programming language, here is programming language. There's two type of programming language: high level language and low level language. So what is high level language? As you can see, high level language, in a specific reference, in the reference of human. So if any language on behalf of human, easy to use, utilize English alphabet and numbers. High level language is used English letters, English alphabets, and as well as numbers, and no need for hardware knowledge. In high level language, there is no need to know what kind of hardware is used, what kind of hardware perform action. You just need know about uh, English alphabets and numbers and other special symbols. So what is low level language? Low level language is used by computer. It cannot be understand by human, but it easy for machines. So low level language consists 0 and 1. 0 and 1, you can also is called it binary language. Okay, binary digits. That's why we merge it as a bit, bit. That is that is a short form of binary digit. Okay, I hope you will understand in next few days. So low level language difficult to learn for whom? It is not for human beings, because it's consists 0 and 1s. That's why there is a point difficult to learn, because we don't understand what 0 1s become, what kind of instruction. So there is a lot of tough things to understand 0 and 1s combination. So closer to machine language. So low level language, it may be machine language or it may be closer to machine language. So what is may and may not? Machine language only consists 0 and 1, but sometime we create such kind of language which just near about 0 and 1, just like a assembly language. So assembly language is, it consists mnemonics. What? Mnemonics. What is mnemonics? Monics. Maybe I'm right spellings. Mnemonics. And what is mnemonics? Mnemonics consist uh, number plus text. Like you need to add 2 and 3, so you write down add 2 comma 3. So what is assembly language? Assembly language consists number as well as text. So here is a text add which which hint to machine what kind of action you will be perform. And 2 and 3 is operand, you need to add 2 and 3. So these language, these mnemonic is just closer to machine language. Okay, that's there why he there why he is here is a closer to machine language point given. So next one, characteristics of high level language. Which kind of characteristics? कौन कौन से इसके गुण हैं? Simplicity in use. High level language is simple to understand, simple in use. But why? Because it use English alphabet and numbers. English is not just more tough language, but just but just you need to environment to speak English. Okay, so English is a universal language. So English alphabets A to Z use, and smaller A to Z use, and number 0 to 9 use. That's why it's easy. Okay, then next, no need to hardware knowledge. Any specific hardware knowledge is not required. And another one, characteristic of low level language. Complexity means होती है कठिनाई या कठिनता. मीन्स लो लेवल लैंग्वेज की जो खूबसूरती कह लीजिए या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कह लीजिए, गुण कह लीजिए, वो क्या है कि what is that? Require knowledge of hardware structure. You must be know the what kind of structure used in hardware. Newman structure used are 64-bit architecture or 32-bit architecture is used, and it is also difficult to learn. It is also difficult to learn. And the C language bridge the gap. Bridging the gap means, as you can see here, a high level language is easy to understand, low level language is not easy to understand. For whom? For human. So there is a lot of gap between human and machine. Why this gap? Why we need to fill it? Because if you want to do any work from machine, so you need to give instruction in their language. Okay, in machine language. So but you cannot understand machine language, and machine cannot understand high level language or human language. So there is a gap between high level language and low level language. So such kind of gap filled by C language. Which kind of characteristics C language have? C have operate at both end, high level language and low level language. C language have both kind of characteristics. It also work on high level language, means it have English letters, numbers, and as well as zeros, machine qualities. Okay. So binary code, translate to machine readable binary code. Hold on. Translate to machine readable binary code. So binary C language has a have a compiler which translate in source code to machine code. Okay. So there is a mind map which will we study in future, and thank you so much.